Did you guys see Preston's video where he says that his designer friends sometimes slip in things from Ballard's? If we're friends, you're expecting me to say that these wholesale designer brands actually sell to the high end retailers. So these high end retailers are actually designer furniture. However, I've been thinking about this a little more in depth, and here's my take. Do you guys think that these pop-up shops or collaborations with Target from very well-known designers has diluted what an actual designer does and brand, because they're giving like an affordable option at Target? So when you see a designer collection at Ballard or Crate and Barrel, you think it's like the affordable option, because it's not. And this is why. So like Gucci had Tom Ford as their creative director, right? Like the brand was still Gucci, but obviously Tom Ford was the designer. So these designers are lending their name and their designs to these designer retail brands. So I don't think anyone should feel weird about getting a designer piece that's been created by a designer snuck into their design in their home. It just, I don't know, it felt weird to me. And maybe it was just because he mentioned Bunny Williams, but like she's a world renowned designer, one of the most decorated interior designers of our generation. And maybe I'm a little sensitive to it because as the former GM of Southern Living and Coastal Living and Sunset Magazine, I just know how important she is to our community. And so her having a collection at Ballard's is not like her affordable, like dupe collection. Like it's Ballard being incredibly savvy to bring on the top people in the industry so that they're always producing the best products possible. These people and these designers are responsible for billions of dollars of sales. And at Crate and Barrel and CB2 and Williams Sonoma, Mitchell Gold, Bob Williams, like you'll never know their names. So I don't know, maybe that's a new series I start. What are their names? What are the creative directors of all these brands that we love?